Evening there. Do another Garmin video. I keep getting a little bit of moisture on my screen, so I'm suspecting that I've got a leak somewhere, something loose or a seal gone or something. So what I'm going to start off by doing is take the battery cover off, ping that battery out, ping that battery out, undo the top screw there, undo the middle screw, undo the bottom screw, another bottom screw, a middle screw, and another top screw. Two. Okay, let's put them two to one side. Yeah, the two in the middle aren't quite undone enough. Four. 5 at the bottom. 6. Right, here comes the hard part. Let's be very gentle here. Oh yeah, there's a problem. I can see it here now straight away. Right, let's pull that aerial off. I can see the problem straight away, and that is the seals broke. I'll order another one of them up. So basically what you've got in here, it's got a technical little bit of kit. So I'll show you how to take it all to bits completely. Right, first off, there's a blue, a yellow and a red wire. A little socket. You pull that socket out to one side. If you remember rightly, you cannot disconnect this, so you have to work around it. This plastic here comes off, but is awkward to say the least. It clips down the side, I remember rightly, and if I let it see if I can get that to loosen up a little bit. Remember rightly, there's a clip down the side here. You've got to unclip it. Yeah, there you go. There's one side done. There's the other side. Right, see if I can wiggle her out. She's awkward. And drop your screwdriver. She is awkward. It's typical, isn't it? There you go. I should be able to, if I can get it to do it. There you go. Just lift the whole thing out. So there's your plastic clip. It's like a guide clip, like a plastic protector. So put that out of the way. What we're left with is your magic board. What you have to do is take that out very carefully. There's your case out of the way. And what you're left with, there's your LCD. This is your button pad, which is quite clean in all fairness. I shouldn't touch them, but I do. That's nice and clean. And to be honest, I can't see any moisture up there. It obviously has had moisture in it, but then we got on the back here, we've got some wires, a little on the chipboards, battery connectors. Right. Make sure there's no fingerprints on that. Right, getting it back together, I'll tell you now it's going to be a peg. So that in there, turn her over, wiggle her down in place, do not force her. Okay, there you go, she fell into place. Right, the next most awkwardest bit in the world. This is like going out to a bar and chatting Bo Derek up, you ain't going to do it. Right, it's awkward to say the least. You've got to go around that wire and it clips in down the side. And I'm telling you now, expect to swear because it is bloody awkward. Sometimes they go straight in, sometimes they're a pain in the arse. There you go, that's one side I think. Has that gone down? I don't think it has. Let's try the other side. Yeah, all right. Let's try and get that in there. Gotta go right down and in. Can you see why it's not in? Look. I told you it was bloody awkward. Be ever so careful here. Ever so careful. This is the awkward. I told you it was boys and girls, didn't I? Let's try doing it the other way. There you go. Once you've got that in, you can then generally go like that. There you go, she's in. This looks a bit high to my liking. There you go. She's in. Maybe not the authorised way of doing it, but that's how I've done it. So once she's in, you must be careful doing it. It is awkward, I tell you now. So, little wires. There you go, in there like that. Right, I'm going to put the old seal back on for the moment. So what we need to do is lift her up and go around there to start off with. And get that seal in the right place. Right, I'm starting to get there. She's awkward. Sorry for not talking very much, but you've got to concentrate on this. There's your seal. Okay. Take your time about it because you've got to get it right. These line up with these little screw holes. Alright, so once you're happy, no fingers, that's got to go back on top of there, but it's got to go on square, like so. What you need to do is check round here that you've got that seal in. Okay. Oh, she's out there, look, that's not good. Let's put that back in there. Until I can get a new seal, that'll have to do. Alright, that back on top. I've got to get that in there as well. Oh, there's always something in there. There you go. She's in. She sits in the seal as well, this does. Okay, so make sure this is all sealed around here. Okay. I've made a mistake myself, so we got to do take that back off. That's got to go in first. Then that goes on. Make sure that's the button there, turns her on and off, so make sure she goes on there like that. Alright, she's in place. I'm happy with that. Right, screws back in. 6 of them, remember, and they are fidget T, they're small, they're awkward. Put that in there. Another one back 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 in there. And that one. And that one. And that one. Positive to the top on that one. Positive to the bottom on that one. Cover back on. Turn. Lock. See what happens, shall we? Oh. There you go. She's back on. She's working. See if I can find a seal for that. Thanks. Bye. See you in a bit.